All right, 6.4, example 1. We need to solve for x in terms of y using inverse functions. So what that means here is, just like in algebra, solving for x means we want to get x all by itself. All right, so we're going to do some inverse operations. We need to get x by itself. The first thing that we're going to do, just like in an algebra problem, is we're going to get rid of the 3 on the right side. To do that, we're going to divide by 3. All right, so if we do that right, we're going to have y over 3 is going to equal cosine of 2x, and I'm leaving a little room here next to the cosine for a reason. The reason being is I want to get rid of everything except for the x. The next thing in order to get rid of is the cosine. To get rid of cosine, we're going to use inverse cosine. Inverse cosine and cosine will cancel out. Whatever I do to the right side of an equation, I need to do to the left side of the equation. So I also need to do the arc cosine, the inverse cosine of y over 3. So at this point, I have the inverse cosine. I'm going to put it in parentheses so we know that it's the inverse cosine of the entire y over 3. That's equal to 2x. There's only one step left to get x by itself. We need to divide both sides by 2. All right, so final answer, x all by itself is equal to 1/2. That's the 2 from right here, times the inverse cosine of y over 3.